natin siya. Oh, ayan. Papakin ko lang siya. Tikman ko lang. Ayan. Oh, diba? Isa. Tikman ko lang siya, guys. Kung masarap ba. I'm gonna show you the ingredients of adobong chicken feet or adobong paa ng manok. So, garlic, onion, and chili. Of course, sili, just seasoning instead of soy sauce. And ayan, si suka. Ayan. And then, the vinegar, what is the ground pepper, and the chicken feet. Yung chicken feet, guys, pinaano ko na siya, pinakulo ko na siya para mawala na yung lansa. At the same time, hindi tayo masyadong magi-struggle sa lambot niya. So, and Himalayan garlic salt. Ayan po, ganyan lang po kasimple ang chicken feet adobo. Excuse me for those who's not eating the chicken feet. Yeah, this is not about the siyempre sa mga ibang lahi yata dito or sa mga hindi nila kinakain to. Well, nung Philippine eating this food. This is not exotic food, but hindi ko alam kung exotic food ba. Hindi. This is chicken feet adobo. Very nice taste, guys. So, you can see, guys, this one is available in supermarket. And then for those who's not knowing how to cook it, so I just show you the simple ingredients. So liquid seasoning, or you can use Maggi or nor liquid seasoning, anything. So let's start, guys. Simple as it is. Hindi mauubusan ang 100 pesos mo. This is only about 10 pesos including this all. And then this is only 30 pesos. Yeah, it's about 30 pesos only in our peso money. So this is 2. So 60 pesos na to. So about like a 1 kilos. So and then yung suka nyo, for sure, hindi naman kayo, kahit buli kayong bago, hindi naman mauubos ang isang suka. Okay, guys. Start na po tayo. Ayan, guys. Maglagay tayo ng mantika. Ayan. It's sunflower oil. Or cooking oil, ordinary oil you can use. So we have to put the garlic, ayan. Nalagyan ko po siya ng yung pagkatapos ng oyster, and then the seasoning. And then I just put the vinegar, a bit of vinegar. Ayan, depende sa inyo kung how you put the vinegar. How, gaano karami. It depends on you. And then we're gonna put the Himalayan garlic. Ayan, para maglasa rin lalo yung garlic. And then, of course, the ground pepper. Ayan. And we have to cover, guys. Palambutin natin siya. Kailangan yung, yan, mawala yan. Hanggang sa mag-sticky, maging dried adobo. Ito ng chicken feet. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Diba? Oh, ayan. Bago natin siya takpan, before we cover, you have to put little bit of chicken stock. Ito yung banyan nito. Ano yan? Pinagkuluan ng chicken feet. So, para maglasa, instead of the water, you have to put chicken stock para yun ang lasa niya. And then, you have to cover. Ayan, i-cover natin siya about 5 minutes lang siguro, guys. Kasi it's already cooked the chicken feet, no? As I told early before, no? So, ayan. About 5 minutes, guys. Pakuluin natin muna siya. Thank you for watching. Wait, guys. Nakita ko, guys, yung nakakita ko ng chicken cube. So, we're going to put the chicken cube. Ayan. So, ayan. Then, palitin siya. Ayan. Palitin natin, guys. After 5 minutes. Wow. Diba? Wow. Ayan, guys. Super yummy yan na. Ayan. Make sure it's, see? Dried na siya. Wala na yung water na nailagay natin. Na-absorb na ng chicken. And then, probably, this is already cooked. Make sure, guys, when you do it, if you don't want to boil like what I've done, done with the boil, you have to keep directly, but you have to put more, chicken stock, yung pinagbanda, or water, but you can boil, you can also cook when you put the water around 15 minutes para yung chicken niya, guys, matanggal yung lansa niya, and then tender yung niya, yung skins mo, and then even the bones of the chicken. So ayan po, luto na siya, guys. So ready to na siya, ready to serve. Ganyan lang po siya kasimple. Ayan, lagyan natin siya ng garnish ng scallion. Tignan natin. Kunin ko yung scallion pala. Lagyan natin siya ng scallion, ayan, or spring onion. Ayan, luto na siya, guys. Salamat. Ayan, guys, lagay ko na siya. Walang sabaw yan, guys. Dried adobo chicken feet. Ayan mo yan kasi nagusok-usok pa, guys. Ayan, ready to serve. Ayan, kain na natin siya. And guys, thank you for watching my vlog. So, luto na po siya. Ayan, tikman na natin siya. Diba ang sarap niya, guys? Wow! Juicy, tender, delicious. Ayan. Natin siya. Pakin ko lang siya. Tikman ko lang. Ayan. Diba? Isa. Tikman ko lang siya, guys. Kung masarap ba. Sarap siya, guys. Ayan. Ano siya, guys, try nyo. Excuse me po sa mga hindi kumakain nito. Don't judge me, pero kinakain po talaga ito ng mga Pilipino. Masarap po ito, try nyo. Super thank you po sa lahat po ng mga subscribe sa akin. Super thank you po sa lahat. And sa mga hindi pa po nagsasubscribe, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel po. Ayan po. See you on my next vlog po. Keep safe everyone. God bless us all po.